Today we're exploring Cagle Farm.
And we're gonna go to the corn maze and go pumpkin picking.
Hi, and welcome back to our national adventure. This is Andrew, I'm Allison, this is Kiara, Carolina, and Chloe. We live here in Georgia and love to explore, so don't forget to hit subscribe and never miss an episode.
This is gonna be fun! It's gonna be really fun! The corn maze!
Cagle Farms is over in Holly Springs, Georgia, just outside of Canton, and there's so much to do in their fall fun. They've got corn mazes, they've got pumpkins, wagon rides, bonfires, and a ton of different animals. They are open Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, and they also have a farm pass as well as a farm pass plus, which would include the wagon ride to Cagle Lake, and then they also have marshmallows and a bonfire. We didn't do that because it was still light when we came, but we had a lot of fun with the animals, especially the cows. The girls had a ton of fun feeding them.
He almost ate my hand.
Hi, sweetie. This is a girl.
There's another one in here.
Here we go. Finally. Yeah, I already got the end.
Okay, give it to him.
I'm trying to.
That's not very hard.
It's so.
What does the cow feel like?
He's so rough-tongued.
Is that cool?
Yeah, but it was kind of weird. It was a weird sensation.
Aw, what'd you think of the cow?
It's a beautiful rooster.
Yeah, that is a pretty rooster.
Them anymore. When we're all finished, we tell them that will do, and that calls the dog off the animals, and we tell them to get some water so they cool off. By the time the tours are over, he's going to be pretty well trained.
Yeah,
That is a good boy. That is a good boy.
I want to get lost, so I need to have a buddy. I want you to be my buddy. There's no dead end.
I think you just have to keep going. I don't know that there is a dead end either. Kiara likes to be the leader. We're walking the maze and the kids are running through it. They have decided to lead us. That's never a good sign.
No kidding. No kidding.
You made it!
It's the entrance.
You didn't do it. Did you do it?
I told her that that was the wrong way. So Dad, you might miss the turn, maybe.
Lots of twists and turns, and they're fighting over which way to go. Which way should we go?
Maybe that way.
Can you cut through?
Where are we going?
That way. Confused.
Do you know where we're going?
No. I'm happy if we get lost, but I think we're already lost.
Are you lost, Chloe?
Mm-hmm.
You think we'll get out?
No. Yes.
Do you trust Kiara to get us out of here?
No. How rude!
We were here.
Where are we?
I've been looking at those two things up there, and we should be going straight. We're going this way again. It's taking us a loop. We need to go back.
So Lost had a switch, and now Andrew is leading us. Fingers crossed we get out of here. Lost in here forever. We'll get out of here.
We're supposed to be looking that way. I'm sad.
Why?
I want to eat something. I'm tired and I need some water to drink.
Okay, well, I know where it is.
It's a dead end. I bet you this is the way. You're free.
No.
You're What do you mean no? This is exit. We did it. No, Carolina, look. It's exit. We went in that way. We got out.
This is the out. I didn't have to.
That was pretty good. That was really good. We got out.
No! Well, it feels so good. We want to bury our feet, don't we? Okay. Thank you. I also too.
Cheers. Is that good?
This is so good. Let's do it in our hot dog.
Over at the Silo Grill, they've got a huge menu, everything from hamburgers and hot dogs to barbecued sandwiches or popcorn and funnel cakes. So tons of stuff to choose from and a great sitting area. They also have a lot of fun things to do like bubbles, and I'm not joking, the girls spent so much time blowing the bubbles with these huge sticks, making large bubbles to just blow across the field. They had a lot of fun doing this. We probably spent about 40 minutes just blowing bubbles. It was a lot of fun. So definitely a great add to their farm experience.
This is a fun day.
You like that one? Yeah.
I'm gonna pick up the board. Don't forget to like and subscribe.